Welcome to the culinary delight of upside-down grilled meat pie, a dish that will defy gravity and tantalize your taste buds. First, let's take a look at our ingredient lineup. It's like assembling the Avengers, but for your stomach. You'll need 500 grams of lean ground beef, Hulk strength not necessary, 1 large onion, cried a bit over your last meal? Perfect, 2 garlic cloves, vampire repellent, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, slick as Iron Man, 1 cup of mixed veggies, because sometimes you need a little kale in your life, 1 teaspoon of salt, pinch it like it's a precious gem, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, for that kick, herb mix as preferred, oregano, thyme, basil, whatever floats your taste boat. 2 pre-made pie crusts, store-bought, because who has time to be Martha Stewart, and finally 1 egg. Where's a chicken when you need one? Now let's get cooking. First, heat a pan over medium-high heat and add olive oil. When it's hot enough to make the garlic in your kitchen do a happy dance, add the finely chopped onion and garlic. Sauté these until they're translucent, kind of like Harry Potter's invisibility cloak. As the lovely aroma wafts, throw in the ground beef and break it apart using a spatula, ensuring it's browned to perfection. Next, toss in the mixed veggies. It's like inviting the rainbow to your dinner table. Stir occasionally and cook until the veggies soften a bit, but not too much. We don't want them to retire just yet. Now comes the seasoning part. Add salt, black pepper, and your chosen herbs. Imagine you're a wizard casting flavorful spells. Preheat your grill to a medium heat. Grease a baking dish with some butter, because slipping on a buttery base is always fun. Lay out 1 pie crust at the bottom of the dish. Pour the meat filling over the pie crust, spreading it out like you're frost coating a cake. Place the second pie crust on top of the meat mixture, sealing the edges like you're safeguarding precious treasures. Brush the top with a beaten egg for that golden finish. Charcoal or gas, either way, transfer your pie to the preheated grill. Close the lid and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the crust turns to a beautiful golden brown. The upside-down grilled meat pie offers a sumptuous and visually appealing dish that'll have people flipping out, literally. Enjoy your meal, and remember, any stuck-on filling on the grill is just a chance for a flavorful encore. Bon appetit!